myself, Agnes Steffy Morera. I joined Abhyaz as a Cloud and DevOps Intern on last May 2025, and I have completed my 3 months of internship August 2025. I was in the department PDD.
Hi, my name is Athula Mariam Kuruvila. I was a Data Analyst Intern in Abhyaz. It has been 3 months since I joined. I am truly grateful for this opportunity.
And I was under guidance and the mentorship of Jessica ma'am. So in this concluding of my last few days of my internship, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Jessica ma'am and the entire Abhyaz team for giving me a wonderful platform.
Through this internship, I learned how to work effectively as a data analyst. I also gained hands-on experience like tools like Zoho CRM, Zoho Recruiter, Zoho Desk, etc. My mentor Kirti ma'am supported me a lot by explaining tasks clearly and sharing her knowledge.
To practice and gain knowledge and confidence on working real-world projects, especially on cloud and automations with the Zoho apps such as Zoho CRM, Zoho Bluebook, Zoho Flow, and Zoho Desk. It was a kind of a mixed feeling, like as I joined as a DevOps intern, as well as I gained entire confidence, and
which has helped me to complete my task on time. And also I am thankful to my colleagues for their continuous support. This experience also improved both my technical skills and my confidence to work on a professional environment. This internship also gave me better to understand how data can drive in a real-world decision.
And after completing my internship, it was like of a candidate who is ready to work on the real-world projects or can face the real-world challenges with the confidence that I gained from this internship. Thank you once again for this wonderful opportunity.
Once again, thank you to Abhyaz team, Kirti ma'am and my colleagues for your guidance and encouragement. Through this internship, it has been a valuable step for my career growth. Thank you for your support.